at Paula Mariz, welcoming everyone to my channel for today's vlog. Another, let's say, art project, what we called art project that I haven't been finished, or I haven't accomplished since I don't know when I started it. And yeah, without further ado, let's start the introduction of what I'm gonna do today in my vlog. Today I'm gonna create the common thing that I do when my rubber shoes gets old. Yeah, I painted them like this one. This is one of my oldest rubber shoes here at home, and I also have two old rubber shoes that I've created it, but I haven't had the chance to take a photo. So this will be my first ever project that I'm gonna vlog for my rubber shoes. Yes. Since then, when my rubber shoes gets old, I actually paint them with spray paint or available paint here at home, like this one. It's very old, so it has cracks from the skins. Yes. In short, to make the rubber shoes live longer, I painted it with different colors, but still a color that is easily to be paired with different kinds of clothes, like that. This is the actual look of the rubber shoes that we're going to paint today. Wait lang, yung project ko pang isa. Okay, this is the actual look. It's like an astronaut rubber shoes. Yep. And I painted it, I don't remember when, with blue, but it's not that good. So I changed my plan to make this of the first coat, and the second coat will be a spray paint colored with silver. Okay guys, this is the spray paint that we're going to use to paint the old rubber shoes of mine. This is actually from my uncle. He gave it to me to use somewhere. So I plan to use this to paint my old rubber shoes to make it more stylish and to have a longer life. Yes, that's actually one of my favorite thing when the rubber shoes gets old. I painted it. So if you have lots of available paint at home, try to be creative and paint your rubber shoes so it will have a longer life, and also it is stain proof, or it can also be a waterproof. Okay, lakas ng hangin guys. Okay, it can also be waterproof because you painted it with different kinds of permanent paints like that. Ano pa ba? Yes, that's it. So, just like what I said earlier, this will be the base paint of our rubber shoes, the color blue, and then we're going to paint it with silver. I don't know what will happen, if this will look great. I will gonna do the same in the other pair, or if not, I'm gonna spray the other pair with pure silver. And yeah, and I'm so excited for my other project, for this vlog also. Yes. Okay guys, before we start our vlog or our painting vlog session, we should always have a safety gears. If you have the sunglasses for paint, like the bigger one, it's good, but if you have a common sunglasses, it's also good. We should have a face mask, very thick face mask. Okay. And this vlog is also be reminded, if you have kids at home, guide them if they want to create this. Yes, if they want to paint something at your house, yes, guide them. Especially paint are not food, they might place it in their mouth, and yeah, just a friendly reminder. Now let's start the vlog. Okay, as you can see, I already paint the other pair of the rubber shoes as pure silver, and as far as I can see, it looks good. Yes, looks like a metal shoes. And forgot, wear gloves. Now, we're going to finish the other pair and look and check what will happen because they have different kinds of painting style. The other one has two paints, two coated paints, the blue and the silver, and this one is just the silver. So let's see what will happen, or what is the finished look of the rubber shoes. Now we are done painting the rubber shoes as a silver color. Well, as far as I can see, the first one you paint is more darker. As you can see here, it's more darker silver than the plain silver paint. The first one has a blue coated paint, and the second one, don't know. It's kind of different. But as far as I can see, it still looks good. And today, I'm seeing different kinds of people wearing one brand, but they have different kinds of style in one pair. It's like the right is color yellow and the left is color pink. So it's still one of the trends today that I'm seeing in people. They are wearing different kinds of color in one pair of rubber shoes. Diba? And for our next project for this vlog is I'm gonna create my very own let's say like a uniform in my vlog. This is like one of my idea is to create my personal shirt, or the only shirt that can be possible always to be wear in my vlog is by creating my own. Okay, because we still have lots of spray paint. We're going to paint one of our white shirt. Yes, I have lots of white shirt at home. And BTW, my mom and my grandma don't know this. So if they have the chance to watch this vlog, hi! Yes, I created one of my white shirt to be my vlog uniform. Yes, they don't know. That's why I created this vlog outside, because they're not around as of the moment. So we need to create this uniform fast, as in super fast. So they will not see us creating this shirt. Okay, without further ado, let's paint. I'll just paint it. Oh, my mistake is that dapat pala pinantay ko yung tape. Pero okay lang yan. So, in short, ang cute naman niya. Pwede na. Medyo magulo nga lang yung dito sa part. Tumulo. Okay, now we're done in our hashtag spray project. Spray project here at home in my channel. So that's it. Just a friendly reminder before you paint. Wear your safety gears. Your kids, just make sure to guide them, or when it comes on painting, yes, because paint are chemicals, not food. And this is the end of my vlog. Thank you for watching my vlog. This is again at Paula Mariz, saying that sharing is a great way to learn and to help others too. Goodbye and have a safe day ahead, and have a great day ahead. Don't forget to give this a thumbs up, subscribe down below together with the bell button, and comment down below. If you have any ideas, suggestions in my channel, feel free to comment it down below. And yeah, bye!